If any of your household appliances break in Egypt, you don't throw them away, you get them repaired. Or if you want to buy something new, you give the old one to somebody who will get it repaired. Nothing gets thrown away. So I'm going to take you down a couple of streets where all of this repairing and recycling and everything else happens. So here we're having radios fixed. Nothing gets thrown away, everything gets repaired. Open heart surgery going on by the looks of it. This is Mohammed's shop and he's repairing blenders and irons and everything here. So I've got my friend Mr. Mohammed here. I want to ask him a little bit about his business. So you repair blenders?
Yes. Blenders.
What else do you repair?
احنا بنصلح ميكروويف كاتل خلاطات مكانس ادوات كهربائيه.
Okay, so anything electrical.
Any home appliances. Any home appliances.
You get second-hand items, second-hand spare parts.
Yes.
Because they're better quality than the Chinese ones.
This is best.
The best quality. So they're European or Japanese or whatever machines. They'll take the spare parts from them, because that's better than the Chinese quality that they can buy new, and they'll refurbish those blenders with second-hand parts from quality machines from before. Need the electric base for your kettle? Take your pick. So wherever you find electrical stores, you'll always find these guys. Just a small 1 meter square booth, a handful of tools, and they can perform magic with a soldering iron. Ismak, hey? Mahmoud. What type of phones can you fix? Everything. Apple, iPhone, Alcatel, Samsung.
Everything.
And what level repairs? Level 1, level 2? Level 1? So what's that mean? You change the board? Change the board? For how long to fix? 5 minutes, 10 minutes?
Yes.
Very good. And what's the average cost per cam?
اصبر بقى طلع في الكاميرا انا.
Okay, so it depends. He says it depends on the model, but maybe £20, £30. Maybe if it's expensive, a bit more. But very reasonable, right? Very good. When something goes wrong with your iPhone, you take it to one of Apple's 5-star partners in their workshops with air conditioning and dust filters and anti-static floors. And they'll probably turn around to you and say they can't fix it or it'll be really expensive. We'll bring it to one of these stands here. You can probably have it fixed while you wait for a couple of dollars. I'm with Mohammed on his sandwich stand, selling sausages and sandwiches and lamb and everything else. So I thought I'd stop at my local Starbucks. So اسمك ايه يا استاذ؟
كريم.
Karim.
كريم.
Walay?
My name Karim.
And what do you fix here?
Mobiles, tablets, everything.
Mobile, tablets,
Yeah.
cameras. You fix my camera?
No.
No cameras. Okay,
cameras.
that's good.
Mobile bus.
But these guys can fix everything. So that's the power for testing things. This is the soldering iron.
Hot.
So it's hot.
Hot.
It's gift.
Gift.
Okay, so tweezers and screwdrivers. Ada, what's this for?
Mobile.
Cleaning. Cleaning your mobile with a toothbrush.
Oh, cleaning.
Hey, very good. By the way, Karim's toothbrush isn't for cleaning the outside of his mobile phones, it's for cleaning the insides once he's done the soldering. So all of these guys here insist that I take their picture.
Selfie.
So, اسمك ايه؟
قصب.
ياسر؟
حازم.
حازم؟
عشري. اسمه غريب شوية.
عبدو؟ وليد؟
محمد
محمد.
شهرتك انا محسوبه.
Horst Heider, nice to meet you. So this is Mohammed's shop, and he's fixing a kettle at the moment, but he's got irons, hot water jugs, vacuum cleaner hoses, anything electrical, it's available here. I'm sure my brother used to have one of those in the 70s. Mobile phones, radios, blenders, vacuum cleaners, anything electrical for your house. They all seem to have an eternal life in Egypt. Long live recycling.